we're gonna do a little test run. This is take 2 here. Broke a bone in my hand last time, knocked out some teeth, but I think we can do it right this time. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. It's a little chilly today, so we got to get this stuff happening. Here's my first little trolley retrieval tool, and I'll show you the second one later. But what we're going to do here is we're going to get another camera going here, just in case something happens. Hopefully I don't end up in the river. We'll give it a shot and see here. We'll see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do here now, people. Here we can do. We'll get this out of the way. Move that one over so I don't fall. Here's a little makeshift launching pad here, so bear with me. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, hang on here. Hang on here. Alright, here we go. Let's try this in here now. What we do. We'll set this thing right in there like that. Set that like that. Drop down a little bit here. Yeah, drop down just a little. Don't get tangled up in the rope. And that's what we got here. Let's see what we got here. See what we got here. See what we got here, people. Let's see what we got here. We're gonna have to hang on to that mofo. But I think what we can do is go like this here, see? I think we can get it like this. Okay, here we go. Alright, people. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Good Lord willing, I'll make it alright. I won't break any bones this time. Okay, here we go. Whoa, I forgot to do one thing! Oh, shit. Almost took her plunge. Oh, man. Whew. Well, that worked all right. Oh, shit. No broken bones. No broken teeth. Oh. All right. I like it. That's take 2. Crash test dummy number 2. All right, then. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Whoa! Alright then. Look at that, huh? Look at that. What we got here? A little bit nippy today, I reckon. A little bit nippy today. Just a little bit. A little bit nippy. Alright. Alright, that was my backyard. Take number 2 on that mofo.